We are here in Woolies buying some chocolates with her. We are in the aisles of nasaan na? Ay, dito pala. Where's the Whittaker? Oh, here. They don't have or they have? Where? Oh.
$8.
$8 pala. This one. I almost ate everything last night. What else? Ano pang titignan natin dito? Ano bang pa? $8 pala. Kasi ilang kwan yan? Ang laki. Ang lalaki ng kanilang 250 grams. Yung iba na 450. Kalahati. Magkano ba? Ilan bang ano bang grams niya? 80 grams lang. So, mas mura na yan. 450, 80 grams.
Do you want this?
Yeah.
What else?
Punta nga tayo sa chips. Kasi gusto niya corn chips pala. Mas prefer niya.
What for kuya then?
Ha? Sina kuya? Nandito na tayo eh. Paano mo maibibigay kina kuya yan? Baka pupunta din sila dito. Sana yung chips, Tel. Ha? Walang katao-tao. What's the time na ba? 8:30 pa lang. Wala nang tao dito. Tignan mo nga kung minakasil na corn chips. Kung mga nakasil sa ayun 250 pero tornado.
No, sisis.
Oh, ayan.
Or this
Ano yan?
Tangy.
Tangy.
Or original or nachos.
Ayan na lang siguro. Ayan.
Cheese.
Gusto mo din?
I like this one's my favorite.
Gusto mo din, Tel? Mas gusto daw niya yan kasi it's healthier than the tornado. Ha? Ano? The bakery section. Okay. Ang daming, oh my God. Persimmon na. Tag-persimmon na, Tel. I need to go to Parkley para makapag-persimmon ng mas mura-mura at mas marami. Ano bang nila dyan? Wala naman atang. Ang daming bread sa bahay. Oh my God. Oh, iba yung donut nila ngayon. Parang namali ang kanilang yung donut nila, oh. Parang namali ang mixture. Nag-iba na.
Do you want the cheese?
Just the one eat the
There's cheesecake. You want cheesecake?
no. Kakakain ko lang yung kaubos-ubos lang yung cake ko.
This one.
What's this one, Tel? Look at this. It's new. Cheesecake din pala.
Yeah, but they don't sell, they sell that just slices, but they don't
Slices.
sell it here.
Oh
I
my
wanted
God.
to try that.
Oh my God. Cheesecake. Ang kapal.
This one's brown.
Macarons, oh. Yung macarons nila, 10.50. Pudding. Pudding. Baka may ano dito, chicken. Oh, naubos na yung chicken din nila. Naubos din. Naubos yung chicken nila. Food section. So imagine it's just 8 o'clock pero wala nang katao-tao. Yung lalaking Nutella. Oh goodness. Apples. Mura ngayon ang grapes.
Don't you need coffee? I feel like you always just need coffee. Or you already have it.
Merong, hindi, coffee na lang kasi bumili ako ng powdered milk. Kaya, tapos yung kape doon sa bahay na ano bang tawag doon? Tigpapay.
Please scan your Woolworths rewards card.
May
Select
ulit.
skip. Your Woolworths rewards card has been added. Do you wish to print a receipt? Please select your escape.
Dito, Homes and Garden.
Please take your change. Please place item in the area.
Punong-puno na ng phone. Thank you.
It's in a glass.
Ha?
This one's too.
Huh?
No, mango. Oh, it's open.
What open?
This one, sushi.
Ay, oo. Ka-open na. Flower shop. Ang gabi na. Let's go. Let's go home. This is our shopping center here in our place. Huh? There's more in Paramata, you know? Oh my God. Paramata. See? Wala nang katao-tao dito sa parking.
Masarap din mag-McDo.
Mag-McDonald ka ngayon?
So we already bought this. On the ice
We
cream.
bought chips. Whittaker and cheesecake. Eh sana busog daw sila, ayaw na nilang mag-dessert. Okay. We'll go now. Okay. Okay.
Good thing I'm on afternoon shift tomorrow.
Okay. Parehas tayo. Hotel will be driving. She's driving now.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, friends.
Bye, friends. Thank you. Please subscribe and see you next time again. Another bonding time with my daughter, with Tel. Okay? Bye.